Now in this video, today's video, I'm going to be reading for you or giving you examples of some of the scenario questions a teacher can ask the students. So I'm going to be reading for you some examples of the scenario questions in the new curriculum, and maybe and how they ask them. So if you're a teacher, you can pick a leaf from here. If you're a teacher of literature, you can pick a leaf from here. And if you are a student, maybe you're a student and you want to try out some questions, and then maybe you take to your teacher for correction or for marking. You can pick some scenarios from here. Now, some scenario essay questions. Actually, I'm going to mainly focus on this. New curriculum scenario essay questions for literature, section B. So, the first scenario question is number 1. Authors of books usually choose different ideas to write about from different aspects, and most of these ideas are reflected in our societies where we stay. Now that is the scenario. Authors of books usually choose different ideas to write about from different aspects, and most of these ideas are reflected in our societies where we stay. Now that is a scenario. Now the task is referring to any set book you have studied on the course. Explain how those ideas are reflected in your society. Now this scenario question specifically requires you to answer relevance. How relevant is that book that you have read on the syllabus? How relevant is that set book to your society where you stay? So this first scenario question is asking for relevance. And make sure to follow and subscribe, because we shall be talking about how we answer these essay questions. How must we answer the essay questions, and what do they require us to write in exams? So if you do not want to miss and learn how we answer the essay questions in literature in section B, make sure to follow, subscribe and comment. So that was the first scenario essay question in literature. Number 2, another sample essay question is number 2. So the first one will require you to write about relevance. How relevant is that set book that you have studied to your society? Then number 2, writers usually write about different experiences